Hello guys! Welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to find and download the Dodo Webview app on your iPhone if it's missing from your local app store. First, open the App Store and search for Dodo Webview. If the app doesn't show up, it means it's blocked or unavailable in your country. To bypass this, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then select your Apple ID name. Tap on Country/Region and choose Change Country or Region. Scroll through the list and select the United States. Agree to the terms and conditions. Set your payment method to none and enter any standard U.S. address details. Click Next to let the store refresh. Now, search for Dodo Webview again, and the app will appear right at the top. Tap Download, and you are good to go, and that's it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.